Look at this sunset, and then look at this guy. He's swimming in grass. Dude. Alright, so we just pulled up to the spot and look at this crack. This crack is pretty, yeah. If you want to fix that, I got a perfect solution for you. Got this thing called the Doinks. It like fixes the cracks, and I don't have any gloves right now. You should like definitely use gloves while using this. No gloves, so I'm gonna use this bag. Let's see if it works. But yeah, so pretty much you get this thing and you just mix it together. Using what we got, but if you order this online, it'll come with free gloves, so that's a plus. Yeah, my friend recently just started selling these and it's so great. Fixing spots and shit. Definitely easier with gloves. Feels like I'm making like some kind of like food or something, like some kind of like bread naan or something. But yeah, get it all mixed in there. It's not, I don't think it's mixed in enough. Not at all. You wanna do it? Pretty in there. It looks like they try to like fill in this part with wax. All right, this will be good enough, why not? Just fill it in. Yeah, it's like super easy to use, honestly. It's like playing with like Play-Doh kind of, but then it'll harden really quick and you could skate it without having a big crack. It'll like definitely help it out. Let's see, stick it in here. As you can see, I'm not that great at this, but we're making it work. Yeah, we got this extra piece. Try to make it a little flat.
Put the time that it is.
Yeah, Nate's making it better because obviously I did not do a good job, but Nate's fixing it.
Dad?
Yeah, that looks way better. Good job. I did a terrible job. Yeah, that looks pretty good, honestly. That's Ladybird, and you could get this product at skateladybird.com. Oh yeah, it's ready. So the time it took for it to dry, probably like 30 minutes. All right, so right here we got some wax, FP Ultra Slick Wax. Yeah, like after you do your thing on that, you should like definitely wax it so it like stays in there, or lacquer it, but I don't have any lacquer right now. Yeah, just wax that. Nice and buttery. Just how I like it. Extra buttery. Now, just skate it.
Where's the skater?
I don't know. I would skate, but my legs are so sore. I was skating some stairs 2 days ago, and they're still sore. I could barely walk right now. See, literally yesterday I was doing some deliveries. I was shopping, and then I was like, street skater, stair skater. That's why I don't skate stairs a lot, but it was just a perfect spot. It was a cool spot. It was like stairs over a rail drop, and I was just jumping down there for like 30 minutes, and I'm not a big jumper. Oh yeah, way better. If you're trying to fix a spot, this is a great option. This thing is like a hockey puck. Yeah, this wax is great. You could play hockey with it. You could wax a curb. Dude, it's rolling away. It's like that commercial, that ravioli commercial, you know? That's the best. Yeah, like my legs be so sore. Oh yeah, that's like ice now. What crack? I'm like using this as a cane.